Hi everyone, welcome to Mr. Autotech Tricks and Tips. Today I am going to show you how to create Upwork account on any device or PC. So let's begin. First go to Chrome. Now search Upwork. Click the first link on this web page. On the top right you can see sign up button. Click here. Now here you can see join as a client or freelancer. You can join as a client or freelancer. It's up to you. Just select your work whatever you want. I'm selecting this. I'm a freelancer looking for work and click apply as a freelancer. Now here you can see continue with Apple or continue with Google. Just click continue with Google and select your Gmail and click continue. After you can select your country and tick these two boxes and click create my account. Now here are some steps, so click get started. You can select whatever your work is. I'm selecting I'm brand new to this and click next. Got it. What's your biggest goal for freelancing? To earn my main income, to make money on the side, to get an experience for a full-time job. I don't have a goal in mind yet. Just select any of these, depends on you. I click to make money on the side. Just select anyone, it depends on you. I click this and click next, create a profile. How would you like to tell us about yourself? You can upload your resume, import from LinkedIn and fill out manually. So I click fill out manually. It takes a time. Now add a title to tell the world what you do. Just type your professional role here. After enter your professional role, just click next, add your experience. You can skip for now or add your experience. I just skip for now. Also skip for now. Looking good. Now tell us which languages you speak. Just select your languages. After selecting your languages, click next, add your skills. Now here you can select your skills or type manually. I'm just selecting it. After completing a skills tag, just click next, write an overview. Now write a bio to tell the world about yourself. Type here a bio. After completing bio, click next. What are the main services you offer? Now select your services. After selecting services, click next, set your rate. Now let's set your hourly rate. After set your hourly rate, click next, add your photo and location. You can upload your photo here, date of birth, country, street address, apartment, zip postal code, state, province, city, and phone number. After completing this, click review your profile and click submit profile. View my profile. Now here you can see our Upwork account is being created. If this video helps, please drop a like, subscribe my channel, and thank you so much for watching.